Welcome back, YouTube. So today we are going to start washing. This project is a 2004 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Needs an engine, tranny, driveline. Alright, so the backstory of this car, we're going to wash it because we're going to swap the engine and tranny from the blue truck that I have. Here's the backstory. So I bought a truck from a friend, and he sells me this truck for, I think it was the equivalent of $7,000+, right? I thought he was a friend. I fucking make the payments. I pay this dude. Gives me the truck. Truck runs and drives beautiful. Problem is, when I asked him for the title after I paid it off, he gives me the title like a week or two later, and the title's fucked up. So when I asked him about it, I was like, what are we gonna do about this? And he said, I'm gonna talk to the guy I bought it from, blah 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 blah. That was 4 years ago. That truck has now been sitting for almost a little over 4 years. Never got to drive it. Nothing. Just sitting. That truck will be here next week. Got to make room. It'll be here next week. Now, that truck is, I found this truck a year ago in Florida with clean title, just missing engine and tranny. So I messaged the guy on Marketplace, didn't see the truck, and I gave him a $800 deposit. Like, fuck it. He wanted $2 grand. I didn't argue on him with the price. I didn't haggle, because even if the title was bad, this truck's completely rust free, and it came with the King Ranch wheels with the grappler tires, which, if you know about these wheels and tires, you're looking at $1,500 right here just on this. A rust free bed, completely rust free, even with this little bit of damage that it had, you're looking at $1,500. Rust free doors, $250 each. Rust free frame, $1,000. Mint condition inside, I wouldn't say it's, oh my god, it's mint, but it's fucking close. So back to the story. So I bought this, and instead of arguing with my supposed friend, I just cut him off. I said fuck it. And if you see this, I'm not gonna put you on blast, but what you did was fucked, boy. That shit was fucked. You know, you could have said, hey, we'll work something out, blah 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 blah, like money grows on fucking trees. But I'm over it. I got this one instead. This one's gonna have a Jet 2 Stage 2 Jetfire KC turbo, upgraded injectors, upgraded Fickum, straight pipe, and it's rust free. So I'll be in this truck now. That parts truck, the one that got burned on, that's going to build this truck, right? And this truck will be done, which we're keeping this. This is my wife's truck. That black one was supposed to be my buddy's truck. It didn't work out, whatever. So we're gonna park that truck and we're gonna use the interior and the bed off the other one and build that truck. And maybe we will 6FZ swap it. I don't know yet. Maybe we'll turn it into a manual, make it a future project. I don't know. But for now, that one parts truck will make 2 trucks. So if I do finish the other one and paint the bed and, you know, the whole 9, and that truck will basically pay for this truck. That truck will be kind of rust free. Frame is good on it. Maybe I'll put the rust free doors that I have from the blue one. and put it on that one and paint the whole thing and make it almost a, I would say 90% rust-free truck. Or this one's 100 and 200% rust-free truck. Not a drop of rust on this thing. So that's what we're gonna do. So if you tune in, because we're gonna have a gantry. We don't have a lift, so we're gonna use a gantry. Put a gantry here, and we're gonna lift this motherfucker. Gotta go. Well, not this one. We're gonna lift up the front end like this, and I'm gonna put with the gantry, engine, and tranny in one shot. But the parts truck, the one that I got bird on, that truck, we will, that truck for sure, we will, you know, lift the bed on it, lift the fucking cab off it, and all the other jazz. So, yeah, if you like Power Stroke, you like trucks, stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. It's going to be probably like a 10-part series of putting this truck together. This truck is just fucking phenomenal. Look at this. Look at this. When do you see a truck almost, what, 20 years old plus in this condition? Yeah, you never see it. We're gonna wash this truck, wash it out. Got the little NVR straight pipe. That one's got dual straight pipe. You know, this is a sweet truck, man. I've been collecting the parts over the years. Gonna put a new harness in it. These are gonna be reverse lights on the bumper. Yeah, we're gonna hook it up. Look at this, no rust situation here. Yeah, how can I say no to $2,000 for this shell? With these wheels. And anything that it needs, we got the parts truck. So if it needs a diff or whatever, we got the parts truck. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Sorry I've been MIA, but we had problems with the EP3. We had it wet sanded down. It went to it got too low on the EP3, so on the sanding part. So we have to re-clear it. Fucking sucks, I know. I'm doing that tomorrow, I think, or the next day. Get that done. I'll start making content, putting that together. I got to put that together. I got all these parts for it that needs to go on. I got new brakes, rotors there, this whole thing back here. That's all for the EP3. And then the Del Sol, that's in the back burner till winter. We'll start putting that together. So it's going to be EP3, start this one, finish that other one, and I'll probably, yeah, that should be good. This one's done. This one's ready for sale. This is the one we painted. Came out really nice. Yeah, and then we'll get this truck going, make some content with this. This one's gonna have that fucking loud ass exhaust. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Yeah, stay tuned. All right.